I just looked at the assignment for your last probability assignment, and I noticed that there was one problem in there that was not covered in the lecture, and that's because it is a conditional probability. In other words, in a conditional probability, you have already done, you're going to do two things. And so it's going to be out of the same pool of items. And so you're going to do the first draw, but you're not going to put it back in. So then you're going to do a second draw. So we're going to look at a few problems like that that deal with conditional probability. So we have conditional probability. Okay. We have a set of dogs. And in this set of dogs, we have 2 terriers, 4 chihuahuas, 3 Airedales, and 6 labs, Labradors. Okay? So how many dogs do we have in our pet store? Well, we've got 10, 13, we've got 15 animals altogether. 2 little boys come to the pet store, and they both want a terrier. Okay, so the first little boy closes his eyes and he randomly reaches into the pen with all the dogs. What is his chance that that first little boy is going to draw a terrier out of that group of 15 dogs? Well, there's 2 terriers, so boy number 1 has a 2 out of 15 chance of getting a terrier. But boy number 2, when he goes to draw, since if boy number 1 drew a terrier, what is his chance of drawing a terrier? Well, there's only going to be 1 terrier left and 14 dogs. So as you notice, the number changes now. If this one got a terrier, then he has only a 1 out of 14 chance of getting a terrier. So then this one is 2 out of, I can't do that one in my head, 150 plus 60, 210 maybe? Well, we'll multiply it, see, 15 times 14, yeah, 210. Okay, so 2 divided by 210. The chance that this is going to happen is 0.00954. So that's a pretty small chance, less than 1% chance that both of those 2 little boys are going to draw a terrier out of that pen, okay? Now, what if we say that the first one drew a terrier already? It's already finished. He has his terrier. Now, what is the chance of the second boy getting a terrier? Well, this one's already done, and there's only 1 terrier left. There's only 14 dogs left. So then his chance would be a 1 out of 14 because this one was already finished. So you have to be careful with these as to what you do. So what would be the chance of the first one drawing a Chihuahua and the second one drawing an Airedale? Well, there are 4 Chihuahuas out of the 15 times there are 3 Airedales, and they're all 3 still there, but there's not 15 dogs, there's now 14 dogs. So this would be 12 over 210, which is going to equal what? Zero 0.057142824. Make that a 3. Round it up. So be careful. So he has about a 5, almost 6% chance of that happening. So there's a conditional type of a probability that you can use. And that's going to happen on number 28, problem 28 in this particular assignment. So hopefully that helps you do number 28.